This is the Dispensing book. It's taking it right down to basics. It covers a range of topics and it basically looks at very basic topics as well. So you have an understanding of all of those basic things so that you can do more complicated things afterwards as well. So how do you do your focimetry step by step? What's the order that you do everything in so that you don't miss out things like vertical prism when you're moving from one lens to the other, but also how to calculate prisms as well. So looking at base directions, looking at the actual calculation P is equal to CF. We're looking at lens form. How do we know what type of lens is what we've supplied to ablation, and what are the benefits of each type? We also have at the end a whole bunch of practice questions that you can attempt. And the great thing about this book is that if you do go right towards the back, there is actually QR codes that link into videos, which you can then watch the answer to the video. So it goes through step by step. How do you do this calculation? Some of the calculations are a little bit more complex, some are a little bit more simple, but if you're able to understand everything, which this book aims for you to do, then you'll be able to apply everything from stage 1, 2, and all the way through to the OSCEs.